This is the start of the day. Bit of PE for the kids.
The Keatley family lives in Colville near Leicester. Nathan Keatley services aircraft for a living, but now he's grappling with homeschooling.
What's hello in French?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, well done, mate.
He was furloughed 2 weeks ago on 80% of his pay, but he's worried he won't have a job to go back to.
The thought of you not being able to provide for your children, the things that they need, the things that they deserve.
Just 5 weeks ago, the Office for Budget Responsibility was predicting the economy would grow by 1% this year. It now estimates it could contract by almost 13% if the lockdown that began on March the 23rd remains in place until the end of June. In such a scenario, the OBR says the number of people who are unemployed could more than double to peak at 3.4 million, and government borrowing this year could rise from a predicted £55 billion to £273 billion as tax receipts collapse.
I've never seen anything like the OBR forecast today, suggesting that the economy might shrink by up to a third in the second quarter of this year. I mean, there is nothing in history, really, in the whole of history, to compare with that. That will be a vastly deeper recession, at least for a short period, than anything we've ever seen before.
The scale and pace of the downturn we are entering is unprecedented, and there was more evidence of it today. Warehouse and Oasis are the latest retail names set for administration. 2,300 jobs are at risk. Even the Chancellor accepts the OBR analysis is grim.
When I see these numbers, deeply troubled. And as I think consistently said when I've been at this podium and elsewhere, this is going to be hard. Our economy is going to take a significant hit, and as I've said before, that's not an abstract thing. People are going to feel that in their jobs and in their household incomes.
Katie Holton is already feeling it. Her catering company closed down 3 weeks ago. She furloughed 3 of her staff on the understanding the government would reimburse their wages, but that hasn't happened yet.
As a company, we're still having to basically find cash flow to support the salaries of the people on furlough until the government, until they can reimburse us.
This company has bills to pay and no money coming in. If the government is to succeed in protecting businesses from failing, then the help on offer has to start reaching the people who need it.